Pumpkin cookies forever! Pumpkin cookies have been a staple in my family for decades now, and while there's some debate on where the recipe came from, we can all agree that making them is almost as fun as eating them. We had all the ingredients in the batter recipe itself, so it was time to get baking. In one bowl, the regular and whole wheat flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, and fresh nutmeg that Mike ground himself. The second bowl, butter, sugar, egg, vanilla, Libby's pumpkin pie mix, and Ghirardelli dark chocolate chips. All right, so first batch tossed out. There's a little confusion, maybe. There's a little confusion about maybe which of the two, There's a little confusion about how much pumpkin went into one, what's it called?
Bowl?
A bowl. Okay. There's a little confusion about how much pumpkin mix went into one bowl as opposed to another. Once we got them mixing, they didn't look right. So somebody may have put more in one than they should have. So those went out. We're starting over again. Wish us luck. Sue. Okay. So we started over and got back on track, picking up the pace. And when Mike's wife Susan helped, we really picked up the pace. The hours passed by with 400 cookies baked the first day and the rest the following morning. All right, it's the official last batch of pumpkin cookies. Say that a little louder.
Last batch!
Okay, these are amazing. My brother Mike, my sister-in-law Susan. We knocked this out of the park, guys. Cheers. Whoop, whoop. Hey, pumpkin cookies forever. The final tally, 558 pumpkin cookies. We stored the cookies in containers in the freezer, and the next day we packed up and hit the road to transport the precious cargo to the mountains of North Carolina for Christine and Justin's wedding. The morning of the wedding, Mike, Susan, and I put the 500 plus cookies in bags, 3 to a bag, for the wedding guests to enjoy. We had quite the assembly line, so it didn't take too long. Later, the wedding happened, photos were taken, and so much dancing before the happy couple departed to live happily ever after with more than a few bags of pumpkin cookies with them.